Okay, y'all, we're going to do an unboxing. It's going to be a quick one. Even though you see 3, it's actually all the same one. These are going to be Christmas presents, so yeah, it's all the same one. And actually there is a 4th one. I can't find it. It's somewhere in all of my diamond paintings. I cannot find it. But I do know that I have seen the 4th one. It did come in the package. Just a matter of getting my hands back on it. This is Tiger CloseUp. It is by Elvira Clement. And it is from Diamond Art Club. You can see that it is round diamonds with ABs. The size is 20 by 28 centimeters. So let's check this out. This is, if I can reach the scissors, there we go. This is pretty small considering what I just finished. So, and thanks to Ginger, I do know about the little hole, the breather hole, to go find. So, yeah. We're going to open this sucker up. Yeah, there are some Auburn fans that I know. I am an Alabama fan, but I do know some Auburn fans, and the Alabama mascot is an elephant, and the Auburn mascot is a tiger. So, all right, let's check this out, shall we? I figure that since these are so small, I will do them in between bigger projects. And I just finished a big project, so this will be what I do next. All right, typical kit. You have your pen, your multi-placer, your drill pin, your baggies, your drill tray, and your wax. So yeah, that is all of that. Let's get into this. This is what I want to see. This is all the excitement right here. Oh, it's so small. It really is so small. Look at it. It's pretty. Alright, so the pack date on this was April 14th of this year. Yay, I don't see a blue in sight. Whew, that's good. Okay. So let's get into this canvas, shall we? Boom! Alright. Wow, for it being this small, it is still 24 colors. Isn't it pretty? I mean, even just in the camera, it looks so pretty. So let's look. Now, just so you know, I ordered this on May 18th. Yes, I know it's June, but I did order it on May 18th, and I got it 4 days later. Which, oh my goodness, which is very typical for my DAC orders. So let's pull this down. Right here. Okay. If it would focus there. Ooh, look at that. It's so clear. It's so pretty. I can see every one of those. I do not need my light pad for this. Yay! So, yep, see, there's your schematic of what it's going to look like. Your code. So now let's pull you back up here. All right. Haha. All right, your piece of paper that tells you what to do, how to do. Don't need that. Don't need that. So that can go in the trash can. All right, let's open this up. Since I did just do the blue confetti nightmare, I needed something that did not have blue in it. And guess what I just saw in doing this right here? Yep, I saw a blue. Oh my goodness. Well, let's just see. See right there? 336 is a blue. Isn't that something? So let's look at these. All right, we've got 3865, 310, which we know that's kind of like an off-white. There's your black. Blue. Where does this blue go? Oh, it looks to be right here, under the eye, and over here in the, yeah, it's shading. It's some shading. Dang it. There is a brownish color. I don't know, is that brown or burnt orange? There's orange, yellow, and orange. That is blush yellow, folks. Yes, it is. Alright, let's check these colors out. We got gray and egg yolk, more gray, and a yellow orange, and more gray, and another brownish kind of color. Still looks kind of like a really dark burnt orange. There's some more. Ooh. More pale yellow. $37.99. Really dark. Looks like blue. There is a palish yellow orange, brown, a yellow orange. Oh, there's the ABs. Look what I found. Look what I found. Oh, we gotta talk about this one, folks. $9.77 is an orangey color. There's your light gray, another kind of funky brown, and a brown. Look at this. This is interesting. I looked at this, and this is starting with 300. Your 132, which is your AB orange, is down here between 740 and 742. Why? That's interesting. I've always seen them up at the top. But that's okay, I'm not complaining. I just thought that was interesting. And you know, of course, this does not come but like maybe an eighth of a centimeter off of the canvas, the glue does. Since they use the pour glue method, of course, there are actually no wrinkles. in the canvas itself, it is very smooth. It is like luscious smooth, velvety smooth. So yeah, I'm excited to get this one going. Probably work on it tomorrow evening after work. So how about this AB orange right here? This beautiful. Well, where are you? There you are. Well, you were. There you go. This beautiful AB orange right here is like highlighting the nose and the side of the face. And so some down here. I cannot wait to work this up. I really can't. So, yes. All right. I have one open. I have two more. And I gotta find the other one. I gotta find the other one. All right. So, yeah. This is a beautiful one. Cannot wait to get started on it. So, I think I'm going to work up this kit pretty quickly and get going on it. So, I'll keep you posted on it. Until next time, folks. Bye, y'all.